Hey guys, it's Beast Gamer here.
Gmod.
Sorry, fixed camera. Okay. Today is gonna be a I have my one I had for a little while now. And we're gonna show you if you've never heard of it. I'm gonna make a tower with it.
Mine too.
So what you do is spin one way and the other way, and it does this.
You guys must not be able
It's not going slow, I promise you guys. That is not going slow.
if you guys actually saw it. So guys, that's killer here.
No, you're not in the video.
Don't subscribe to us, no matter what. Who's YouTube? Exactly. Still, Parker still thinks that, right?
Okay guys, when we get us three back in the video, okay? So we'll get back there. Okay guys, so we're about to watch a movie in 5 minutes, so we're gonna clean up, watch the movie, and we'll get back to you. So guys, I'm just gonna videotape of a fidget spinner spinning right quick, so I'll get back to you then. All you see is a fidget spinner spinning. Let's go guys, let's clean up. If it stops, leave in the comments below how long you thought it spun for. Get out! Not even real bad. Gordon, are you gonna help? It's not too entertaining, guys, so let's do tweens.
If you play Clash Royale, then you can reach out.
You play Clash Royale or Roblox, give me your Roblox password, not scamming, swear to God. Swear to God, guys. I swear.
I'm 1 million.
It's a private server, guys.
Which we made.
We made a private server yesterday. Fail. Okay, so let's do it.
Hey guys, down here.
And then we'll get back to you. We'll get back to a cringy.
YouTube Master Killer, that's the name of the private server. Welcome to Master Killer.
Welcome, creator. Alright, are you gonna show them? Fidget spinners ran out, guys. Not trying to be too selfish about what I have. Jordan, go ahead, show them.
1 second, floating. Okay, we're ready.
Damn it, Queen.
He was good. What are you doing?
CR.
Are you doing the CR? Yeah.
Ready? Jesse, get out of the video.
Did Parker say? Wait, is it recording?
Yep.
Don't show him.
Stop. They're seeing the private server.
Sorry guys, it's backwards, but there's nothing we can do about it.
What's the? You see?
Guys, I just literally, watch out, Jordan. I just literally found this Lego piece, and then I put up my bearing in it, and
It spins.
yeah.
That's done. Remember when we kept making fidget spinners with the Mountain Dew stuff?
Oh yeah,
We should
I
have
remember
put
that.
that on YT, right?
Okay, guys, so I kind of think they're getting bored. So we're actually gonna get back in the video. So
You
we'll
guys
get back
don't-
to you when you're done. When we're done cleaning. Okay, guys, just because you can see my abs doesn't mean anything. But we're about to be playing a Slender video. I'll download Slender on video. Next video, stay tuned in. Leave a
Like.
Like.
And we are also sorry, guys. We didn't get to show you the private server, but we will show you in the next video.
In the second. So after the Slender video, we'll show you.
Yeah.
So,
Wait.
we might do an illusion video. I might download an illusion. Congratulations! Now you can put that back up there too.
How do you get that up?
I don't know. Okay. So yeah, you just gotta shove it in there.
What the heck?
Here, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna help Jordan.
What's up? Fidget spinners are the best. These are the best 2 fidget spinners I have. It's true. This one's the best, right, Parker? These ones.
For you, yes, but I've seen better. This kid at our school.
He had a
I
two-sided
know
one.
what we
He
should
had a
play
two-sided
on your
golden
video.
Yeah. All right, guys. So
Play in real
leave a
life.
like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're looking forward to 100 likes on this video.
Yeah.
100, Jordan.
At least.
Come on, give us 110, guys. Come on, please. We need this really bad. We're trying to do some lives, and we
Once
really
we get 100 subscribers, we're gonna do 100 subscriber special.
yeah. If we get 100, I hope
We're gonna do a giveaway for
Well,
Clash Royale.
a
gems.
$10 giveaway.
Yeah, for Clash Royale.
All right, we'll do a $10 giveaway for our first subscriber.
Jordan.
I mean, our first commenter. Hashtag gamer, and then that'll be on the giveaway video, and you'll get a $10 gift card. No lies.
No, make a hashtag game killer because
No, hashtag gamers.
oh yeah.
Hashtag Roblox, guys, so you better watch the whole video. All right, leave a like and subscribe.
And this kickball.
Shout out to this kickball.
That's stupid.
And
Also, this stupid doll.
and this stupid Play-Doh maker. Okay, so stay tuned
And
for
that.
new
And also,
videos.
big
Bye,
shout out
guys.
to Call